Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with the prints in the violet and purple mix shade. We also have zari lines in the pallu and we have the same violet, little darker shade blouse piece with the one side black borders. The complete saree having the border in the black with antique finished zari border in both sides, which is very elegant. And we also have the body of the saree, which is in a elephant grey, not complete black, something in a lighter black shade. And both sides of the saree we have the violet and purple shade color prints as well. On that we have a curvy lines pattern printed. Elegant one, and we have the lower portion completely in the purple shade with zigzag lines vertically done. It's a partly saree, half saree model with authentic silk work. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light radiant green shade color saree and same color pallu with zari lines and beautiful block print design done using the blue shade in the pallu. And we have light green, it's almost an apple green shade with one side a beautiful deep brown color borders, some maroon and brown mixed border. On it the antique zari is used here for the zari border. The complete saree is in apple green with maroon prints, very different prints it is. And we also have the blue given in the both side borders. In the lower part of the saree, this is a half saree model kind. The lower part have different type of printing in the same color, but all over it's being printed. Blue is used more in the lower part. Excellent saree, very different designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful maroon shade pallu with turquoise green color base for the block prints, very beautiful block prints and zari lines in the pallu. And we have same body color, turquoise green color plain blouse piece with one side the block printed border and a maroon shade border for the zari lines, zari borders. The complete saree have the maroon base for the zari borders here with the turquoise green, the pastel shade color body with big leaves design in the body printed using grey and maroon, and the border design is printed in the block print portion all over the saree. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a turquoise green and blue mixed shade color pallu with zari lines, the same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with the golden zari borders. The complete saree is having a very elegant golden zari border in the base of the same turquoise green and blue mixed shade. The complete saree is also in the same shade with the polka dots design occupying all over the saree. It's a big polka and it is really beautiful, done using the cream color base. Elegant saree, simple and elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a blue, a royal blue color pallu with brown base for the zari lines vertically, and we have a light blue, which is something in a copper sulphate blue shade color blouse piece with one side the brown border. The complete saree is having a brown base border. It's almost a burgundy brown with the golden zari border. And here the pattern of the saree is very different. You can see the leaves pattern in the lower part and the polka dots pattern in the top, and the polka dots are done using brown. The leaves in the royal blue base, and the pattern, it's like a staircase. It lowers and then again the staircase pattern increases. And when it goes to the lower part of the saree, vertically the printing is done. Alternatively, both designs are given. A very different saree, very different printing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu, royal blue, yellow as well as orange colors in the pallu with the cream prints in it. Vertically the zari lines is also given. The very contrast yellow blouse piece, a turmeric bright yellow shade with one side royal blue color border. The saree have three splittings in the horizontal color in the middle portion. You can see yellow, the top. Next to that we have orange, it's a rusty orange color, and the lower part is completely royal blue with the prints in the rose pattern using cream color. Beautiful saree, a tri-colored saree, colorful one with authentic silk. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, it's a fluorescent green with brown base for the zari lines, a very different concept and different colored saree in same green color blouse piece. The complete blouse piece is a plain one with one side brown borders. The printing here is in very famous beautiful faces design. And the middle part is completely plain, same green. On the top and bottom we have the beautiful prints. Excellent saree with the brown base color for the zari borders. Beautiful printing, and the concept of the color is also very beautiful here with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with block prints in deeper shade pink and royal blue as well. And we have the golden zari lines, deep pink color blouse piece. It's a contrast blouse piece, little darker shade than the body. The complete zari border is in the base of pink itself. You can see the beautiful golden zari border. The saree have beautiful prints as well. The triangle shape printing horizontally done in both sides of the saree using royal blue, and we have beautiful printing in the top body with motif designs. The lower half body is completely printed with the triangle pattern, and it is done in the vertical way. Different saree, really different, with half saree pattern, and it comes with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful brown shade pallu with block prints, and we also have zari lines in the pallu with a beautiful body color plain blouse piece with one side the deep brown color borders. The saree have very different color, pastel color combination base, complete saree. The top portion of the saree having the prints all over done using the brown, and the lower half we have only half portion done the closely printed design, and the other portion we have the mild motif design. Elegant one, pastel shade color, mild green and brown mixed pastel shade it is, with the borders of the saree on the deep brown color. Very elegant one with authentic silk mark. It's a rare combination. Grab yours soon. Thank you. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful red pallu with the peach color prints all over, and we also have zari lines. And here the blouse piece is in same body color peach with one side the red borders. The complete saree here is in beautiful peach shade. It's a Kanahambaram peach color. Very beautiful prints on it. The top portion is completely printed in the maroon and red shades, and the lower half we have closely printed design using blue. Beautiful combination, elegant saree. The same thing is vice versa done in the lower half. Beautiful pattern, elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a orange color, a rustic orange color saree with black prints in the pallu, and we have zari lines also in the pallu. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The printing here is done in beautiful way. That the middle part have the palm leaf design printed using black, and the lower half we have a checkered kind pattern, two different designs printed, a floral as well as a black design, which is also a floral. Very different pattern, all over printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful rusty orange color pallu with black block prints, and we also have zari lines, and we have the body color blouse piece. It is a Rama green shade. The complete saree is in Rama green shade. You can see the middle portion, plain portion. Bottom and top we have the black portion with the prints in cream color. It's a floral design printed, and we have the borders in the base of orange, rustic orange color. Really beautiful design with an excellent contrast color combination with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful tussar saree with the pallu in black, and we have prints in the grey, and contrastly we have the pallu, a blouse piece that is in grey color, and the border of the blouse piece we have black. Complete border serving black base with antique finish zari work, and the saree here is in grey. It's a bluish grey color with all over printed design motif, which is very different, and we also have the mango design printed in the borders. Beautiful saree. The grey and black always goes well with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green shade saree, a mild light pista green color with deep burgundy prints on it. The same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. And here we have the saree in a tribal concept, all over tribal pattern printed, ancient tribal design, very closely printed using the brown shade. And we also have borders done in the blue color with the same tribal pattern. Elegant saree with the borders with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful purple shade color pallu with deep burgundy maroon color. It's a brownish maroon. Base we have the zari lines. We also have block printed lines portion, and we have the same color, purple color, plain blouse piece with both sides zari borders. The zari border concept of the saree is completely done on the deep burgundy maroon shade, and we have the body completely in purple with the diamond shaped design, the Pochambali kind design printed all over using blue. Really beautiful, simple and elegant saree with authentic silk look. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a green saree with green pallu, two different shades of green you can see in the pallu, and we have zari lines and block printed design vertically done. A light green shade given for the blouse piece, the saree color itself with the borders in the darker green shade, all in the parrot green shade only with little lesser shade color variation. And we have prints in blue and deep maroon color, and it is very different vertically printed design, mangoes pattern, and we also have a floral design. Elegant one, different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu in pink with grey in the between, and on that we have the zari lines also, and block prints is also given in the half white base color. And we have same pink blouse piece, it's contrast to the saree with one side grey borders for the blouse piece. Completely the saree is in cream color with two different colors in the printing. You can see grey as well as pink. Dark pink it is, it's almost a magenta pink shade. The same pink in the borders, and the golden zari border adds a prettiness to the saree. Really beautiful and different saree with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful royal blue shade pallu with zari lines on the base of light blue shade color, and we have a little turquoise green and blue mixed shade color, little lighter shade blouse piece with prints in the blouse piece. Very rarely we have prints in the blouse piece, and one side we have the royal blue color borders. The complete saree is having the same light turquoise blue shade color saree with prints in green in the body, little lighter shade and small prints. And we have mango design printed in both sides borders, one at a row on the top and two at a row at the bottom, very elegantly using the royal blue color. The borders of the saree is also in royal blue base. Elegant saree, very different color combination with authentic silk look. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful orange pallu with the yellow base part for the prints in the pallu, and the prints are done using brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu with same yellow blouse piece. It's a light yellow, almost a turmeric shade with a little pastel connection in it. The complete saree is also in the same yellow. Really beautiful color, not very too bright yellow, it's really beautiful yellow with the prints in the floral pattern. We have green and orange and pink color used for the prints here. In the lower part we have the same prints done in a very different flower bush pattern. And the borders of the saree is completely in orange with the zari borders also. Beautiful combination with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil Tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a green, a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept. Very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a rust color saree, rusty orange all over. The pallu is also in the same color with block prints in black. And we also have zari lines. And the same color is given for the plain blouse piece here with golden zari borders. The whole saree is having the golden zari border, bright golden zari it is, with the very different pattern printed all over the saree. Blocks are here with a polka dots pattern, and it is done in a very different way. The staircase pattern, increasing and decreasing pattern all over. Very beautiful saree, different collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a yellow pallu with drama green color prints and brown prints, and we also have zari lines. Same yellow blouse piece with one side block printed border as well as this golden zari border. The complete saree is here in the same yellow with the rama green prints all over. It's a floral beautiful pattern with the border design also printed. Elegant one, very different one too with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark maroon color, almost it's a beautiful deep maroon burgundy shade color pallu with the block prints in the grey base done on black color, and also we have the zari lines. It's a tribal pattern printed. This grey color, the body color is the blouse piece here with maroon borders one side. The saree completely is in beautiful grey with the prints in complete contrary, maroon and deep green color, and we also have the tribal pattern printed in both sides of the borders. Zari border base in the maroon base color, contrast and beautiful saree. Excellent one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color pallu with yellow prints on it. We also have the zari lines in the between the block prints, and we have the same royal blue, dark royal blue blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side the lavender color borders. The saree here is in beautiful lavender, a very rare shade in Tassa, very beautiful color too. On it we have the batik printing all over done using the royal blue, and we have a very different block print as well, the deer standing near the tree concept. Beautiful one that is done using a beautiful pink color shade, and a border design is done here using the yellow concept, and we also have zari lines on the royal blue base. Beautiful saree, multiple colors. The batik concept is really beautiful on the Tassa one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and grey. It's a deep elephant grey color in the pallu with zari lines, and the same elephant grey is given for the blouse piece as well with one side blue borders, deep royal blue color border. The complete saree is having the same blue borders with zari border as well, and the next to the border we have the elephant grey border as well, and the body having a beautiful dull finish half white color and fully printed design. The prints are done using deep black color, a floral pattern, very elegantly done. The color combination is very different and rare with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree with same pink pallu. Blue is used for the block printing here, and we also have zari lines in golden zari. The same golden zari is given all over the saree along with the blouse piece. The blouse is plain here, the same running pink shade color. Little lighter shade pink is given on the body here with deeper pink used for the printing. Beautiful design with the mango pattern given in the both side borders, that is done using blue here. Excellent saree, very different designing, and the color of the saree is also very rare with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful and contrast green pallu. It's an olive green shade with beautiful zari lines and zari border in both sides of the saree. Same green plain blouse piece with one side yellow borders. Plain blouse piece it is with the beautiful zari borders as well. The complete saree is having the zari border on the green base here, the pallu color base. And here we have a very colorful saree, multiple colors in the saree, painted like beautifully, almost the yellow and pink shades. Multiple shades of pink are used here, red as well, with the prints completely done using black. A beautiful rainbow color saree, very elegantly printed one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed foil tassa fabric. Here we have a pink saree with pink pallu, and we have block prints in the royal blue shade. We have vertical block prints in this pallu along with the zari lines. Golden zari used for the zari lines here. And the pink blouse piece, the body color blouse piece, running one with one side the royal blue borders. The complete saree is having zari borders on royal blue base here, both sides. And you can see the pink body base with the royal blue prints. Two different printing. The top half we have the floral small flower design, and the lower half leaf design is printed. Very beautiful one. Excellent design with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful black pallu with zari lines on the base of red, and we also have prints that is done in cream color, half white cream, and we have contrast black blouse piece with one side maroon borders for the zari border base. The complete zari border base here is done using maroon, and you can see the different prints here. We have cream base color saree with printing in black, and we also have a horizontal striped pattern which is having just plain black color, and we also have magenta prints in the bottom border of the saree. Very different one. The top portion fully it comes like that, and the lower half we have the printing, just the version of the print is changed. Very beautiful one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu. The complete saree color, the pallu color is in a very different light green shade. Excellent different shade it is. A sea turquoise and sea blue mixed shade color. And we have the prints in the choco brown color. We also have zari lines in the pallu. The same colors, the blouse piece color also here. Plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having the same color concept with the top completely a printed one. Choco brown color is closely printed here with both horizontal and lines pattern. It is a like very beautiful design, trendy one. And the lower half is completely printed with the floral and a different design, which is also done as using the choco brown and blue. Beautiful saree, very different block print here, which done exclusive pattern with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep purple shade color pallu, very elegant color for the pallu, contrast one with zari lines, and the same color for the blouse piece, pallu color blouse piece, contrast one for the body with zari borders in both sides. The pallu blouse piece also have zari borders, and here we have an excellent design, very beautiful, very different and trendy design it is, all over a painting kind design. Batik done in a very beautiful way, multiple colors used for it, and we have deep black used for the floral printing on the saree. We also have the purple color for the zari borders here. Beautiful one, very colorful and different one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, rust color pallu here with zari lines and zari border, and we have a same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is, a contrast one for the body color. Beautiful one. The complete zari border here is in golden zari. You can see it's a beautiful color, and we have the body that is in blue base, indigo blue shade, and polka dots design is done using white here, half white color. Beautifully all over it is being printed. Excellent saree, very different design with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue saree with prints in deep royal blue, and the saree here is in light pastel shade blue. It's also in a light copper sulphate color. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is with zari borders. The complete zari border base is done in the beautiful sky blue color. Golden zari used for the zari borders, and here the multiple colors used for the prints. It is a leaf design, a palm leaf design printed all over using multiple colors. A simple and elegant saree for the blue lovers with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a very beautiful rust color saree, rusty orange it is, with the temple design border printed all over using black, and we have same color blouse piece, a mild peach and orange mixed shade. mild peach shade is also there, and you can see a very different printing in the saree. Starting of the pallu, this, and the lower half we have the temple border, the floral pattern all over, and it has been increasing in the lower half. You can see the lower half will have the staircase increasing pattern of the print. The print is done using maroon and black here. Very elegant and different saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. Zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu, along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed. A very beautiful collection here in a rust color, orange rust color base, and here the pallu is deep burgundy brown color, dark chocolate brown color here, and the blouse piece is plain peach and orange mixed shade color it is, and the complete borders are done using the pallu color basic, and on it the golden zari work is done. And here the saree is having a printing that is very different. You can see the very ancient design, the tribal pattern printed, tribal man, the fishes and all we can see, and the top portion is completely a bird design here and there printed one. A very different saree, exclusive collection with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed, zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a olive green saree with same color pallu, and we have zari lines on the base of deep brown, almost a burgundy color. We also have block prints using black in the saree, and we have same olive green blouse piece, and we have the contrast color border on one side with the block prints also. The complete saree border is in deep brown, the burgundy shade color, and the golden zari border is also bright and beautiful. The saree here having two different type of printing. The top half we have half and half pattern, the lower half we have the checked pattern in the curvy lines, and the top we have the butta portion, and when you go along the lower half it is completely the curvy checked portion pattern. Completely the printing is done for the curvy portion using black, and the buttas are done using the brown. Elegant collection, a very different combination color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa. And here we have an apple green brighter shade saree with prints all over in maroon color. You can see the Egyptian printing done in the pallu, the pyramid's face design, and we have the same color plain blouse piece, golden zari borders all over the saree along with the blouse piece, and we also have a thin border that is also in maroon base color here. Beautiful printing. You can see the pyramids, the ancient concept printed, and the saree have beautiful prints all over, a floral and stripes kind pattern all over printing, and the lower half we have the tribal kind printing done. Different saree, very different concept with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful dark lavender color saree with blue prints in the pallu. We also have zari lines in the pallu, and the same lavender blouse piece, plain blouse piece it is. The saree have beautiful concept, all over printing design in the top of the saree. In the lower half we have the butta designs and the printing design, the floral pattern done only in the bottom half. A very beautiful one with the golden zari, elegant saree with simple printing, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful royal blue color saree with prints in pink color, ultimate contrast combination with pink blouse piece, very elegant blouse piece with both sides a royal blue color border. The complete saree is having royal blue borders with antique finish zari. The body of the saree is pink. Top and bottom we have the same kind of printing, and the middle portion is printed closely with the royal blue shade, mango design. Really beautiful saree, a colorful, excellent collection with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful green saree with green pallu, and we have a deep maroon color shade prints in the pallu along with the zari lines, and same light green shade, little lighter green blouse piece with one side the darker green borders. It's almost an apple green shade with very elegant maroon prints. Brown and maroon are used for the printing. The borders we have a very elegant tribal pattern printed, and the middle portion we have the butta designs, and the saree have a half saree pattern as well. The same printing is done in a vertical way in the lower portion. Different one the printing is done in the half saree model with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari border, done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue shade. It's a very different, the shade of teal blue shade color pallu with the floral design block printed in the pallu vertically along with this vertical zari lines, and the same color is given for the blouse piece also. Beautiful concept, running concept it is, and we have the saree also in the same concept, the same blue color, teal blue shade, different prints. So geometric prints here, almost like a beautiful star shape, and the between portion, the top, we have the motif part that is having a different mango style buttas. The complete printing here is done on white color, half white. Beautiful saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful light green color, a very different light apple green shade with the pallu having black block prints and zari lines, and same green blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides zari border. The complete saree is having beautiful golden zari border, very elegantly. Along with that, we have a printed border next to it. It is done using very elegant black color. The prints is done black in both side borders, and the middle part we have a green print which is in a mango design pattern. Elegant saree, simple and beautiful with authentic silk work. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful deep blue, it's almost a navy blue shade color pallu with pink portion in the pallu vertically given. We have zari lines as usual, and we have the zigzag lines portion also which is block printed. And we have a pink blouse piece, running color, body color with one side the deep blue block print design. The complete body portion having the borders in the deep blue, the navy blue shade. Antique zari is given, and the saree here is in beautiful pink, almost a magenta pink shade with a triangle pattern running in the lower half of the saree which is in the blue. We also have the polka dots design done in the printing. Cream is used for the polka dots. Different design, it's really different with authentic silk mark. Pure tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful blue and pink color, a vertically splitted border pallu, and we have zari lines on it. Blue portion, the zari lines are done with a contrast color, pink color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with one side royal blue shade borders. The saree is having beautiful half saree model. The top half we have fully printed portion on cream base, royal blue used for the printing. And you can see the diagonal way it is printed, and the portion increases like, and a grey portion starts in the here, and once it goes to the lower part of the saree, it's almost a half and half pattern. Beautiful partly saree with a beautiful design. The borders of the saree are in the pink base color itself. It comes with authentic silk mark.